Hello everybody, this is Serpent, and welcome back to another Minecraft video. In this one, I'll be showing you how to stack unstackable items in Minecraft using commands. This is useful because when you're making a custom map or something, sometimes, for example, you want to have potions be involved, but you won't be able to really use potions too well unless you can give them as a stack, otherwise they won't be all that useful and no one will use them. So, it's useful to be able to stack unstackable items in that way. Now, you used to be able to do this, I believe, with the /give command. However, now it gives you the error, the number you've entered at 2 is too big, it must be at most 1. And then the way to get around that would have been to use the replace item command, but they fixed that too, and it doesn't work on a block either. Let's see, if I change this number to 1, then that happens, and otherwise it gives me the error message. Same with the inventory. Now, the way you fix that is by using a villager trade. And over here we have an example. 1 stone for 2 diamond swords. So in this video I will mainly be showing you how to craft, how to create a command that will give you this villager. I messed up taking it out of the trading thing there for a moment, so just had to show it to you actually working. So this command starts out with a /summon villager at the coordinate with nothing in the data tag slot. A very normal command, and that will just give you a fisherman, or well, not specifically a fisherman, I don't think, but just some random villager. Now, the next thing you want to do is give him an offers tag, and that will end up not letting you access his trades, because you've given him an offers, which will override all the defaults, except that you haven't replaced it with anything. So in there, you need a recipes list, that's what the square brackets indicate, and then inside the recipe list, another set of curly brackets to indicate one of the things in the list. You can add more, of course, but we haven't put anything in it, so you've just got blank trades. Then the next thing you need to do is add a buy and a sell tag in there, and each one of those will have curly brackets to indicate what's going to be inside the what's going to be bought and what's going to be sold, and the parameters of those two things. And then those two parameters will be ID, which is a string, and count, which is an integer. And you'll want that in both buy and in sell, like that. When you put something in there, buy ID stone, it's a string ID, remember, and count 1, sell ID stone, count 1, you'll get this useless trade. And then when you actually end up replacing that with something, stone and then diamond sword, you can tweak the ID to be whatever you want, as well as the count to be whatever you want. So this will give us a villager that sells stone, or that sells 2 diamond swords for 1 stone, stacked, which is the key thing here. Like that. And then from there, of course, you can add data tags to the things he's selling, which is crucial for the potions. For example, the buying stone, count 1, selling diamond sword, count 2, with a tag, and curly brackets to indicate what tag. Enchantments list, a list of them, one of them being ID 16 level 40, which is sharpness level 40. So, if you do end up wanting to use this for potions, I'm going to be posting a video almost exactly at the same time as this one, if not exactly, and I will put a link to that in the description of this one, which tells you how to create the potions, how to format the command and all that good stuff. So, when you end up doing that, I'll show you in that video, but when you end up doing that, you'll be putting the custom potion effects tag, which I'll explain in that video, inside this this tag right here, this one. in the place right here. In any case though, that will be in the other video, like I said, because I don't want to put two instructional videos under one name so that it seems like one of them doesn't exist. That way it would be awfully hard to find that video and it wouldn't be very helpful at all. But in any case, hopefully you enjoyed this one. If you need that information, go check that one out, and I shall see you in the next one. Take care. Bye-bye.